might be a good chance and an appropriate way for me to share some news about what I'm doing, because I have a few changes going on right now. Some of you know me as the marketing manager or CMO, what have you, evangelist at GeoJob, and I'm going the right way. I'm a little spatially challenged. Yeah. But anyway, that is, I'm no longer involved in that role. So, big surprise, big announcements there. So, yeah, all good things come to an end. Everything was cool. I've technically been a contractor there, running marketing for the last 2.5 years from a remote location, you know, mostly back in Victoria, British Columbia, and from Fort Collins, Colorado, too. So, what am I going to do? What are my plans? I'm taking some time to think things over right now, but I do, I have my own company. It is, but I keep it silent. I don't really talk about it, but I'm technically called Gletham Communications, and I focus there on technical marketing, and the focus is on GIS, mapping, geospatial, and mobile technology companies. And I do really dig working with the startup ecosystem, because I think there's great opportunities there for us to work together. So I'm going to be ramping that up with a couple of new clients, and might be looking for a couple more as well. So if that's of interest to anyone, essentially my service will be what I excel in, which is first and foremost PR and communications, and that is leveraging my involvement with spatial media, and that is GIS User and LiDAR Magazine, American Surveyor. So those are fabulous resources that I have at my disposal, where we not only, you know, help you in your PR, I can assist with, you know, writing PR to distributing it, putting it out on a wire, doing video like this. You can roll with me and we'll talk about your products and services. Also, newsletter assistance, you know, crafting your newsletters, design work, custom imagery, and your, you know, your corporate branding, assisting with that, and you know, getting the word out. And that's where it's really exciting for startups, and I love the startup ecosystem. I've worked with it a lot over the years, and I can really help to get word out about your startup. I don't know if this guy's gonna go. Okay. Yep. Sorry, I'm at a crosswalk and this guy is, I'm not sure if he's gonna go. So yeah, working with startups, I love it. There's great opportunity there, and also a lot of startups are, you know, they're just not ready to focus on marketing yet, but that's where I can help in, you know, immediately in the short term, maybe with with your event presence, you know, if you need another body there helping stuff out. And I do have a pretty extensive network of contacts throughout the industry, and that comes from my actual 20 years now in the industry. I started, my sole proprietorship was known as Spatial Graphics initially, and I founded that 20 years ago in '99. So fast forward to today, here I am. So Gletham Communications, PR communications, technical writing, evangelism, brand management, you name it. A lot of you already know me, so you know a little bit about what I'm about. If this is of interest to you or someone you know, hit me up. You know, ping me on Twitter at Gletham, or gletham.com has all my contact information, and we can talk. I'm always glad to chat. Hey, thanks for watching, and thanks again